Today I'm going to give you reason number 3 for polishing your shoes. Yesterday we looked at hygiene, the day before that exercise. Today it's education. What you should do throughout your life, not just at school, throughout your life, is try to learn as much as you possibly can from anywhere you can. Education is free. And we live in a world where it's easily available. I'm just going to remove the polish. Having given these saddle soap yesterday, I'm going to remove the polish as best I can using this stuff. It's a Sophia product. I'm not sponsored by these people, but I do find that their stuff is the best. So this stuff will remove as much of the polish as I can get off. And while I'm doing that, and while you're doing it, if you choose to do it, you will learn not just about the various chemicals that we use, the creams, the waxes, the oils, the astringents, the various unctions and lotions that we can get involved in. Also, you get to find out about the parts of the shoe, because you're going to be very thorough doing this, and you're going to get a close acquaintanceship. Look, can you see how that's coming off there? That's just polish. It's not dirt. That's just the polish that I've put on over and over again. And on a shoe, if you look, you've got the toe cap, you've got, this piece is called the vamp. It's the bendy bit so that you can walk in it. There's the quarter, that's this piece here. The heel stay. This is the face with the eyelets for the laces, the throat, and inside there the tongue. On the other side, well, inside it you've got a sock, you've got an insole, you've got a midsole, and then the outer sole. This is the heel, and this part is called the waist. The part where the upper joins the sole is called the welt, and there are different ways of welding it together. Sometimes it's stitched, sometimes it's melted together. The best ones are stitched. You can see the stitching here on the sole of this one. So you can see, as your acquaintanceship with your shoe becomes deeper and deeper, you know exactly what you're doing and to what part. So I'm going to keep doing this for quite a while, and I will use all of these cotton buds and get as much polish off as I can. But so far then, we've had exercise, we've had hygiene, and now education. Third reason. For the fourth reason, come and see me tomorrow. Bye for now.